This is the Aftermarket Radio Network. It's your weekly blitz with Chris, keeping you in the game.
Are you ready to supercharge your auto repair business? Well, this is Coach Chris Cotton from AutoFix Auto Shop Coaching. The weekly blitz is where industry expertise and business innovation collide, revving your engines for the week ahead. Every episode has game-changing insights, up-to-the-minute industry updates, and practical tips to shift your business into high gear. We're talking about stuff you didn't even know you didn't know, folks. If you haven't done so yet, please check out all of the other great podcasts on the Aftermarket Radio Network. Also, be on the lookout for Speak Up with Craig O'Neill. He's a new podcaster on the Aftermarket Radio Network doing great things. I'm sure if you're in the industry, you know Craig O'Neill. If not, then you should get to know him. Hop out there and take a listen. Big thanks to Shop Marketing Pros for sponsoring the Weekly Blitz. Brian and Kim Walker know the industry inside out as former shop owners. They don't do copy and paste marketing. They do create unique strategies for each client. They offer incredible marketing that gets results, helping your clients and future employees to know, like, and trust you. Join their Auto Repair Marketing Mastermind Facebook group for Tuesday teachings once a month. Shop Marketing Pros is top-tier marketing for top-tier shops. Visit shopmarketingpros.com/Chris for more information. As always, most of my podcast topics come from conversations with other shop owners, other people in the industry, and then people outside the industry. Recently, I did a shop visit, an on-site visit, and we were talking about employees always coming up to the owner asking how to do things. If that's the case, you are an operator, you're not an owner. You are making all the decisions for them, and they need to learn how to make them themselves. So what we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about the 1-3-1 rule and how to use that in your auto repair shop to make it run better. In a fast-paced environment like an auto repair shop, owners and managers find themselves overwhelmed by the constant stream of problems brought to them by their employees. It's easy to feel like the go-to person for every issue, but this approach isn't sustainable. To foster a more proactive and independent team, you need to empower your employees to become problem solvers rather than problem bringers. In doing so, that's essential. One effective strategy for achieving this is the 1-3-1 rule. So what is the 1-3-1 rule? The 1-3-1 rule is a powerful method that encourages employees to think critically and develop solutions before approaching the owner, manager, operator, whatever your current position is. And so the rule breaks down as follows. 1 challenge, identify the specific problem or challenge at hand. 3 options, consider and outline 3 possible solutions to that problem. And then 1 recommendation, choose the best option and present it as a recommendation. And I would even take that 1 further. If that's the best option, you as an employee or you as an employer, owner, operator should have empowered the people to make decisions and follow through on their own. I want them to take the best option and not only present it, but go ahead and put it in action. If it's something that you wouldn't do or you might have done differently, I want you to coach the difference. Okay. Why is the 1-3-1 rule important? Implementing the 1-3-1 rule shifts the responsibility of problem solving from the owner to the team. This also fosters a culture of innovative and critical thinking. This approach not only reduces the decision-making burden from the owner, but also enhances the team's overall efficiency and morale. So how do we implement this in our shop? First of all, we're going to start by clearly communicating the 1-3-1 rule to your team. If this means having a meeting, if it means putting up posters, whatever that is to keep it top of mind, that's what I want you to do. I also want you to explain the purpose and how it benefits both the employees and the business. I want you to consider conducting training sessions or workshops to practice the 1-3-1 approach, ensuring everyone understands how to apply it effectively. Okay. Practical steps for implementation. Number 1, set clear expectations. I want you to make it clear that when employees encounter a problem, they should come to you with a complete 1-3-1 breakdown. If they haven't done that yet, send them away. Number 2, encourage initiative. Foster an environment where employees feel comfortable presenting their ideas and solutions. And number 3, provide support. I want you to offer resources and guidance to help employees develop their problem-solving skills. So what does creating a supportive environment look like? Cultivating a culture that values independent thinking is crucial. I want you to celebrate successful applications of the 131 rule and provide constructive feedback to encourage continuous improvement. Over time, this approach is going to become second nature to your team. So, what are the benefits of the 131 rule? For the owner, it's reduced stress. By delegating problem solving, you can focus on strategic planning and business growth. It also, for the organization, efficient decision making. With employees presenting well thought out recommendations, decisions can be made and will be made more quickly and effectively. So, the benefit for the team is enhanced skills. Employees develop stronger critical thinking and problem solving abilities and also increased confidence. Taking ownership of solutions both boosts morale and job satisfaction. So, the benefit for the business is as well improved efficiency. Streamlining problem solving processes leads to faster resolution of issues and an enhanced customer experience. And talking about customer experience, it gives better customer service. Quicker problem resolution enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. What is the real world application? To illustrate the effectiveness of the 131 rule, consider sharing real life examples or case studies from your own experiences when you're teaching this. Also, role play those scenarios. This can also help demonstrate how an employee can present a problem, options, and a recommendation effectively. When we're thinking about overcoming challenges and common obstacles to this, number one, resistance to change. Employees are going to initially be hesitant to take on more responsibility. You don't hire people so that you tell them what to do. You hire people to tell you what to do. Okay. And if you're surrounded by people that you're telling them what to do, you need to rework your strategy, come up with something better. One of the other obstacles is their reluctance to think independently. Some team members might struggle with the shift in mindset. Some people just don't want to take responsibility, but you have to push them out of their comfort level in order to grow them as people. Other solutions and tips. Number one, ease the transition. I want you to provide continuous support and reinforcement to help employees adapt to the new approach, encourage buy-in, highlight the benefits of the 131 rule, and celebrate early successes to build momentum. The 131 rule is a game changer for auto repair shops looking to foster a more proactive and empowered team. You can create a culture of critical thinking and independence by encouraging employees to identify challenges, consider multiple solutions, and present a well thought out recommendation. I want you to start out by implementing the 131 rule in your shop today and watch your team become more efficient, more confident, and more capable. Are you ready to transform your problem solving approach? If so, implement the 131 rule in your shop and share your experiences with us. For more tips and resources, check out our coaching services and stay tuned for future blog posts and podcast episodes. Thanks to all of our incredible listeners. Your passion and drive motivate us to deliver top-notch content. A big shout out to our sponsor, Shop Marketing Pros. If your shop is the best in town, but your marketing isn't cutting it, then it's time for a change. Shop Marketing Pros understands your business and ensures your shop stands out. Where quality meets visibility, Shop Marketing Pros ensures your auto repair shop stands out in a crowded market. Thanks for tuning into the Weekly Blitz. Remember, it's time to rise, grind, and keep your mindset positive. Until next time, this is Coach Chris Cotton signing off. Have a great day, everybody.
You've been listening to the Weekly Blitz with Coach Chris Cotton on the AftermarketRadioNetwork.com. Follow Chris on your favorite podcast listening app. Let him know what you'd like him to cover. His email is in the show notes. Chris is all for advancing the aftermarket.